Last video, we've learned how to control the pressures. In this video, we're talking about the dynamic attributes. By controlling the stroke jitter, we create a brush with more natural feeling. Adjust the angle to randomly rotate the brush shape, which creates a rough edge effect. We can randomly change the size of the shape or jitter the brush flow. Or we can randomly change the spacing of each shape. Color dynamics bring the stroke to different color effects. With higher hue, the brush jitters over a wide range of colors. The higher the saturation, the more vivid the color is. With brightness, each shade will randomly jump to a brighter hue. In contrast, darkness makes each brush tip randomly darker. To jitter the texture, we need to make sure the texture to each tip is turned on. Random the texture position and the depth, create a more natural stroke.